A lot of YouTube viewers have noticed that my finger looks really bad and they want to know what happened. This actually looks much better than it did a few days ago. So for today's video, I thought I'd give you the backstory on what happened to my finger and give you an update on the healing process. If you saw last week's video, you know that my finger got bit by a wild vole. That's a rodent that lives outside, a little bigger than a mouse. I caught it in a live catch trap. When I was releasing it, I thought it was just going to run out, but instead it stopped, jumped up, and bit my finger. And rodent bites are so nasty. They can result in a really severe infection, and that's what happened to me. I waited a little while hoping it would heal itself, but it didn't. So let me show you what this looked like a week ago. Take a look at that. That's so swollen compared to the regular one. It's way bigger. This is so sore. I didn't sleep at all last night. It's been a couple days now. I've been avoiding going to the hospital, but I'm going to have to go to urgent care this morning. It opens at 8, and I'm going to be there first thing in the morning, first in line, because it's so swollen. It's starting to move down my finger. So I'll let you know what the doctor says, what medication they prescribe, and how long it takes to get better. Hopefully because it's an animal bite, they don't make me get rabies shots with a huge needle in my butt. I saw the doctor earlier this morning and showed him my infected finger. Apparently there's extra paperwork when you have an animal bite. But he took a look at it and he thought there might be an abscess or a pus pocket, so he jabbed a needle with numbing medicine in there and then cut it open with a scalpel blade. Unfortunately, it wasn't too impressive. We didn't have a Dr. Sanderly, Dr. Pimple Popper moment. It just bled a lot. But man, it did feel good to squeeze it and relieve some pressure. My finger felt like a sausage, just about ready to burst. Now, luckily, rabies wasn't a concern. The doctor did prescribe amoxicillin. I have to take 2 pills for the next 7 days. I took one this morning and it already feels better. I'm so thankful for modern medicine. So I'll show you after a couple days how much the swelling goes down. It's already better. It's been a full week and twice a day I've been taking these antibiotic pills. This is the last one. When you're dealing with these types of infections, it's really important you take the full course of medicine just to make sure the pathogens don't develop any resistance. But I'm going to be glad to stop taking these. The pill started working right away. After 2 pills the next day, the swelling was going down. By the 3rd or 4th day, it was really going down. So that is just what I needed to stop the infection. It wasn't getting better on its own. If you take a look at the finger, it's now down to normal size. It's not so swollen. I can bend it. It doesn't hurt. Now there was so much swelling, and where the doctor lanced it and squeezed it, the skin died, so it has this nasty white scab. I'll have to wait for that to peel off. So now on my left hand I have a nasty thumbnail and a nasty finger. But I'm just glad the infection is gone. I have really good medical insurance, but I haven't met my deductible this year, so I had to pay $250 for that. Some medications. Overall, this costs around $300, a week of pain and suffering. And these pills work really well, but there's side effects with the intestines, and it's going to take a while to get things back to normal. Luckily, my wife makes kefir, which is a fermented milk, and that has a lot of probiotics, and I can get things right again. Hopefully these will heal soon, and then I can have normal looking hands. I won't have to deal with so many comments from people saying my hands look nasty. I did like one comment where a YouTube viewer said he knows I'm not recycling any old videos because he likes watching the progress of my thumbnail grow out. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.